Hi, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So today, let's talk about making money online. You know, one thing that is funny is that when you've not started making money online or when you've not experienced what I'm about to tell you, you might think it's a lie, it's not possible, something like that. But in this video, I'll be sharing with you 6 legit ways either I've experienced directly or indirectly through friends that I know, 6 legit ways of how you can earn money online. Number one, let's talk about social media marketing, or social media handling, social media managing social media accounts. I wrote them down here, so this video is just concise, straight to the point. Now the new money now is online, and a lot of people want to be on social media. Companies want to be on social media. People want to run ads and the like. So if you are experienced in handling social media accounts, all this TikTok, you know how to run ads, this is a good opportunity for you to start making money online. Recently, I was trying to run an ad for my French course online on Facebook, and I kept on having issues going back and forth trying to, when I tried paying with my card online, I couldn't, it kept on bouncing my card. Why? I don't know. Till now, I still don't know why my card was bounced. So that is a good opportunity for me to go out and meet a social media handler, which I did actually. I spoke with somebody. I'm unable to run this ad online and all, and he charged me a good amount for that. I'm still constrained to that. He charged me a good amount for that. So they are making money online. Number two that I have here is video editing. Yes, I wrote it down here. Editing audios and videos. Content now is everywhere. People are making videos. People want to promote, make videos online, YouTube, for courses, so many things. If you know you can edit audios or videos, this is a good opportunity for you to make money online. Currently, I also engage the service of a video editor because I have a lot of videos that I want to post on YouTube, but it's just so time consuming for me to edit videos and post on YouTube. So when you have a lot on your plate, you still have to make do with a video editor or audio editor, something like that. Number three that I have here is being a virtual assistant. This particular space, I will still do more research on on websites on how to be that can employ virtual assistant. But one thing about this virtual assistant is that if you can fine tune how to go about this, right? Because when you are under Upwork and all this freelance body, by the time you're making money, they'll be taking cut out of it. If you can find a way to, maybe you have your network of people, you can reach out to your friends or your past colleagues that you are a virtual assistant and this is what you do. You can help them handle their emails, help them handle, you know, you should have known what they need, right? Try and push out that service to them that this is what I do currently and this is how I can help your business become better. You can start from there. See, start from there. Start from there. There's no big deal in all this. If you don't do this, nobody will pay your bills. Just start from there and you'll be surprised how you'll be making money. Number next, and this is my field, this is online tutoring. This field, I don't know whether people are not yet ready to utilize this opportunity, or people don't really know so much about it, or maybe people don't like this idea, this general idea of teaching or tutoring, any form of tutoring. But trust me, this is a good way of making money online. I can tell you this with a first-hand experience. I don't even need anybody, no sugarcoating anything, first-hand experience. Currently, I'm teaching French online, and this whole idea, this entire beautiful idea started from YouTube. So I posted a video on YouTube about French and all, and now it's turning out to be something beautiful that I love and I'm enjoying. Some of my students have came around, met me and said they are into this app, they've used Duolingo and the likes, and I'm not going against any app. Yes, that those app will help you, but engaging you getting to fluency is another experience on its own. Use French as an example. French, written and spoken, is quite different. How you write in French is sort of different from how you speak in French because writing is more of the formal kind of writing. So when you want to speak, If you are thinking what you wrote in your textbook or how it appears in your textbook is how you are going to speak, come on, come on, you're going to be sounding like a learner, right? So in French, when you write, it's quite different from how you speak, right? Let me give you an example. So when you want to say, let's say you can say in textbook they'll say bonjour, bonsoir, bonne nuit, right? That's different, or bon après-midi. But in spoken, in the morning you can say bonjour. When you want to say hi, you can say salut, coucou, and the likes. In the afternoon, all through afternoon is always bonsoir. So it's, most time they don't usually use bon après-midi and the like. So you can see that it has it varies anyway. So back to what we're talking about online tutoring. If you know you are good in any language, I know firsthand of somebody that is also teaching Igbo online. I know firsthand of somebody that's also teaching Portuguese online, and she's making money. So if you would like to teach online, what are you good at? If it's English, if it's maybe Hausa, all these languages, and you feel people would love to learn, please come online and showcase what you do, showcase your talent. You make money. Don't let me disclose how much I'm making right now. That's a private. That's private for me. And for me alone. Thank you. Okay, next. Yeah. Next is for you to freelance your skill. What are you, a graphic designer? All these freelance skills that you can S SEO, how do they call it? SEO writer or blogger, any form of freelancing. If you can do this, this is a good time for you to come out, showcase your skill online, or join a freelance body where you can showcase your skill. The last one I'm talking about here is affiliate marketing. Hey, this affiliate marketing, previously, what comes to my mind when you talk about affiliate marketing is like MMM, bring one referral kind of thing, bring one person, something like that. But people are really making money from affiliate marketing. And you don't really need to think so much outside the box. Look around, look at businesses that work. Go to them online or send them an email and let them know that you would like to be an affiliate marketer, and the commissions will be yours. Probably you have like your Instagram, your YouTube handle, or your blog. You can also always push in those products to your customers or to your clients, and the commission is yours without doing anything. You're not the owner of the product, you're not the owner of whatsoever. Yours is just to advertise the product on your blog or talk about it or add the links, whatever you're doing, and you'll be making money online. This affiliate marketing, people are making money. Don't worry. I'm just going to promise you guys that I'll go back. Don't worry. I promise you I'll go back. Go and look for affiliate marketing companies, legit affiliate marketing companies that can help you make money online. So I think that's all the six I have here written down. Let me just run through it. Freelance your skills, manage social media account, virtual assistant, offer online tutoring or online tutoring, offer tutoring or online tutoring. Then I wrote down here edit audio and videos. Then the last one I have is affiliate market. That's just a rundown. Everything I've talked about here. So let's let me round this up. Now, a lot of people will lose their jobs in years to come because AI is coming. So the earlier you are able to put yourself or your business or learn how to earn online or produce anything online or just ensure that you are making money online, the better. So I hope you found this video helpful. And if you like to enroll for my French course, 3 months French class, just 3 months. And trust me, it will be so beneficial. It has a lot of things. The class has been so much fun. The students are loving it, and it engages a lot of activities. But the goal is that you learn at your own pace. And it's for busy people. Use music, videos, and you learn with fun. But learning, we are still learning, and that's the goal. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.